The gear icon in XPress indicates options or preferences. We will explore some of the different ways to customize your workbook space using the options icon. Now let's look at options housed in the main menu. Many users leave these set to their default settings, and others choose to customize. Under Appearance, be sure you have the correct device type selected, as many tools depend on scale. If you'd like to change the size of the toolbar, select a different UI size. And let's not forget, this is the place to connect to your cloud storage account. XPress tools also have options. For example, you can set 6 different default pen styles, making it easy to change between them on the fly. To demonstrate object options further, I will use the Spotlight tool over an image. Engage the Select tool and then tap the image. Notice an object menu appears. I'll select the Spotlight tool from the Presenter toolbar and tap inside to enable the Options menu. This is the way to change object properties. Remember, if you see the gear icon, you have options. Images, the camera tool, and videos also have the option to mirror and flip, as well as other neat filters. To interact with an object individually, engage the Select tool. The Object menu allows you to easily adjust the color, opacity, and size. The Select tool also allows you to group objects to work together as one. Some tools have other advanced options such as lock and unlock. I will demonstrate using the web browser tool. When you add a browser page to your workbook, the object defaults to the locked position so that you can interact inside the web page immediately. When you want to resize or move the object, select Unlock. Gadgets also have lock and unlock. Just remember, if you see the lock feature, to interact with what's inside of the outlined object, it must be in the locked position. To move or resize it, it must be unlocked. Now it's your turn to explore the menus and the options. We hope you love XPress and how easy it is for you to customize and make it your own.